And just like that, here I am back in the man shed. But we've had a lovely week. We've been so lucky just to get away for that week. And now I'm back. What's today? It is Wednesday afternoon now. We got back this morning about 2:30 this morning. The flight was delayed for a couple of hours. And stupidly, I'd booked in a little job for today, only to just trim the bottom of a couple of doors. So I've been out and done that. Picked up materials for tomorrow. So tomorrow I am doing a ceiling repair and some decorating, probably consecutively after that, in the same place. So if you want to see me repairing ceilings tomorrow, what could be more exciting than that? I'm sure I'll put a video out tomorrow. So thanks for sticking with me if I haven't been around for a week. But anyway, I'm back now, so I should be putting my videos out almost daily. If not, it'll be like 2, 3, 4 a week or something like that. But anyway, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for some work. Back in action. Get rid of some of this holiday joy. Anyway, see you later.